Hey guys, welcome back to our series, Google Ads for Dummies. Today we're going to be taking you through negative keywords. Negative keywords allow you to exclude certain keywords or phrases from triggering your ads in Google Ads. This is essential if you want to avoid wasting money on clicks that are unlikely to convert. Refining your negatives will help you save money on advertising costs, allowing you to focus your budget on the most relevant traffic. In turn, this should help conversion rates and improve sales overall. The most effective way to identify your negative keywords is by using your search term reports to see what is triggering your ad. Here, you'll be able to see the worst offending terms that are costing you a lot more and are poor converters. So whilst there'll be obvious terms that you do not want your ad to trigger on, it is otherwise best to just let the data guide you and your decisions, as often there'll actually be search terms that convert that you would not expect to. How do you add negative keywords? Well, first you'll want to navigate to your campaign or ad group and click on the Keywords tab. From there, you can add negative keywords by selecting the plus button and choosing the negative keyword. The other option is to use a negative keyword list, and this can be found by going to Tools and Settings and then selecting Negative Keyword Lists from your shared library menu. This is a great option if you have negative keywords that you want to exclude from multiple campaigns. Simply just create your list and apply it to any relevant campaigns. If you need to add negatives to those same campaigns, you can just add it to the list, and this will apply to all campaigns that share the list, so it's great for saving time. More recently, Google have added account level lists from negative keywords, which will automatically apply to all search and shopping inventory, including Performance Max. Make sure you're comfortable with a negative keyword being excluded from all search and shopping campaigns before you use this option. To add account level negatives, head over to your account settings, open the negative keywords dropdown and use the plus button to add your negatives. Negative phrase match keywords won't show your ad if the search term contains the exact keywords terms in the same order. The search can include additional words, but as long as all the keyword terms in the same order are included in the search term, then your ad won't show. Negative broad match keywords is the default match type for negatives and will stop your ad showing on searches which contain all your negative keyword terms, even if the terms are in a different order. However, your ad can still show if only part of your keyword terms are in the search. That's it for negative keywords. I hope this was helpful and we'll see you in the next video.